For this example, we're told that Leslie draws two cards from a deck of cards, and we've been asked what is the probability that she picks two queens, assuming that she doesn't replace the card. So in a traditional deck of cards, there are 4 queens and 52 cards. So the probability that the first card that she chooses is a queen is simply 4, total number of queens, divided by 52, the total number of cards in the deck. Now 4 over 52, that can be simplified to be 1 over 13. So the probability that the first card she picks is a queen is 1 over 13. Now for the second card, where I only have 3 queens left, and as she doesn't replace the card, we now only have 51 cards in the deck. So the probability that she picks a queen again is now 3, as there are only 3 queens left in the deck, and as there's 51 cards left in the deck now, it's 3 over 51. Now 3 over 51, that can be simplified to be 1 over 17. So the probability of her picking a second queen is 1 over 17. So the probability that the two cards that she picks are both queens is 1 over 13 multiplied by 1 over 17. Now 1 over 13 times 1 over 17 is 1 over 221, which is approximately 0.0045. So the probability that Leslie picks two queens is 0.0045.